If this system failed, your university would shut down in minutes. And most students don't even know it exists. Every day, thousands of students walk into classrooms, swipe cards, connect to Wi-Fi, and assume everything will just work. But all of it depends on one invisible system. Without it, elevators stop between floors. Labs shut down mid-experiment. Emergency lighting goes dark. Security systems go blind. This isn't a theory, it's a real risk. And here's the crazy part. Even when the power goes out, this system is already prepared. Because universities don't rely on luck. They rely on engineering. The system keeping your university alive is its power distribution and backup network. Power, backup, control. Power enters campus from the grid. It's split, regulated, and monitored across dozens of buildings. If the grid fails, backup generators start in seconds. Some systems never even notice the outage. Not everything gets power equally. Servers, security, emergency lighting, and data centers come first. Lecture halls, cafeterias, they wait. Behind the scenes, engineers monitor load, voltage, and failures, often 24/7. Most of them work at night. Most students never see them. So the next time your laptop charges or the lights stay on during load shedding, remember, this isn't accidental. Without this system, universities wouldn't just struggle. They would collapse.